So, we have here some pictures.
Pictures?
Yes, pictures.
What picture? Pictures.
And I'm going to show them to you.
Okay.
Okay?
What's this?
Apple.
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 Ant.
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 Arrow.
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 Ankle. Ankle. Say ankle.
Ankle. Ankle.
Good job. Ambulance.
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 Great job, baby. So, we're going to play a game. Okay? Do you like playing games?
Yeah.
Great. So, what we're going to do, Mama is going to tell you the order. And then after that, Mama is going to take one from these pictures. And you have to keep the order. Okay?
Okay.
So, apple,
Apple.
ant,
Ant.
arrow,
Arrow.
ankle,
Ankle.
ambulance.
Ambulance.
Now, I'm going to take this first one here. Now, so do you remember what was here?
Apple.
Apple. And this?
Ant.
Ant. Great. And this? What's this?
Other thing.
Other thing?
Arrow.
Arrow.
Ankle.
Ankle.
Ambulance.
Ambulance. Great job. Now, look. Do you remember what was the first one?
Apple.
Apple.
Ant.
Ant.
Ankle.
Oh. Arrow.
Arrow. Ankle.
Ankle.
Ambulance.
Ambulance. So, do you remember what was the first one?
Apple.
Apple. And the second?
Ant.
Ant. The third? What was the third? Do you remember?
Yep.
So, what was it?
Ankle.
Arrow.
Arrow.
The arrow.
The arrow.
And this one?
Ankle.
And this?
Ambulance.
Great. Now, what was the first one?
Apple.
Apple.
Ant.
Ant. Arrow. Arrow. Do you remember ankle? Great. And this one?
Ambulance.
Now, you have to remember all the sequence. The first one is?
Apple.
The second?
Ant.
Ant. What was the third?
Ant.
Arrow.
Arrow.
The fourth?
Ankle.
Ankle.
Ambulance.
Ambulance. Great job, baby.
But this the car.
So let's remember them. Look, it was apple, ant, arrow, ankle, and ambulance. Very good, baby.
What can I make the other?
Então, todas, all the words that we just saw,
What's this?
they start with this letter. And this letter says A. A. Let's say it loud. A. A. Let's say it very low. A. A. Let's say it fast. A. A. Let's say it slow. A. Great job, baby. So, this one is A.
Okay, this put here.
And this is our case. And for this one, we're going to draw this letter that has the sound A.
Ah.
First, it's my turn, and then it's yours. Ah.
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 Okay. Oh, baby, you did it. This is ah.
Yeah.
Ah.
But look, you see this lovely.
This is lovely.
Look.
Yeah, this is lovely. This is salt. I'll do it first. Eu vou fazer primeiro, and then you do it, okay? Depois você faz. Up and down. Okay? So now it's your turn. Up and down. E aqui nós temos esse papelzinho, ok? It shows how to write letter A, so then you can repeat it many times. Good job! E se a gente tivesse que pensar numa maneira de fazer o A de forma que a gente fosse lembrar do som que ele faz? Can you start? Então, meu filho teve a ideia de fazer apple. Olha só. A gente dessa forma consegue lembrar exatamente do som que ela faz. Apple.
E a gente também tem uma ambulance. Muito bom.
Ambulance. Aqui nós temos ant. Aqui nós temos ambulance. E aqui nós temos apple. Max apples. E a gente coloca em borrow for an hour, que a gente pega emprestado por 1 hora esse livrinho, que a gente consegue ler no próprio computador. Aí a gente coloca para ficar um pouco maior. So let's start. Oh, you want an apple from the tree? Said Ruby. Good idea, Max. Apples are good for you, said Louise. Then Ruby and Louise sang. Bake, bubble, bubble, bake. Apple pie is fun to make. So let's sing the song, baby.
Yeah.
Bake, bubble.
Baby, bake. I don't want the...
Mommy say it first and then baby say it, okay? Bake, bubble.
Bubble, bake.
No, bake, bubble.
Bubble, bake.
Bake, bubble. Repeat as mom is saying. Bake, bubble.
Bake, bubble.
Bubble, bake.
Bubble, bake.
Apple pie
Apple pie
is fun to make.
If mama make.
Is fun to make.
If mama make.
Bake, bubble, bubble, bake.
Bubble, bake. And the same.
Apple pie
Apple pie
is fun to make.
if mama make.